Afternoon, friends. Hope you had a chance to have lunch, get a snack, move around, do a brain break. For your PM video today, we're doing math and not doing the monthly mini lessons today. We did 3 already this week, so I'll give you a break there. But next week, we're going to be doing some pretty intense writing, okay? So in your math packet, remember the math packet has numbers all the way around the edges. It says math, M-A-T-H, up here at the top. Make sure your name is on it. And then we're going to be turning to page 10. Okay, so little 10 down here in the corner. It says Thursday up here in that corner. And it says choose an expression card and write 4 problems that use the same parts and totals. Shade the totals orange. So you don't have expression cards at home. So you can kind of make up your own, or you can do what I'm going to do, okay? So for number 1, I'm going to say this expression is 8 minus 3. So the first one will be 8 minus 3, and that would be 5. Okay. So then an addition expression would be 3 plus 5 equals 8. 8 minus 5 equals 3, and 5 plus 3 equals 8. So those are all the different ways that you could use this combination of numbers. Okay, so remember, a number bond is a family of numbers, 8, 3, and 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5, 8 minus 5 equals 3, 3 plus 5 equals 8, 5 plus 3 equals 8. So you can change the position of the numbers and just use those 3 numbers to make different expressions that are all true. Okay, so number 2, we're going to do 6 minus 4 equals 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6 minus 2 equals 4. And 2 plus 4 equals 6. Okay, you could pause the video there to copy those things down. Nice thing about the videos, you can always push pause. Number 3, let's do 5 minus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And then I'm going to let you find the next 2 on your own. Okay? And then we'll do the same thing over here. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay? So pause this. Try to solve the last 2 of 3 and 4 on your own. Take a picture and send it to me. When you're done with that, we're going to turn to page 11. Write the related number sentences on the number bonds. Make sure you write your name at the top. 12-10-2020 if you want extra bonus points. So here's our number bond. 10 is the whole, 8 is the part. So what that essentially is telling you is that you have 10 apples, you gave 8 away. What's left over? 2 is the answer. Okay? So 10 minus 8 equals 2. That's how we solved that. Which also means that if you have 8 and you add 2, then you're going to get 10. Okay, do the last 2 on your own. Same thing with number 2, 9 and 7. If you have 9 apples, 7 of them are green, the rest of them are red. How many are red? So you could draw a picture if that helps you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so start with the whole, start with the big number, draw everything. Then you're going to take 7 out of that. Okay, so I crossed out 7. And once you cross out 7, that tells you what the remainder is. Do you see the 2 that I circled? So that's telling you 9 take away 7 leaves you with 2. And that's the first expression you're writing on this problem here. 9 take away 7 equals 2. It also means that if you have 2 and you add back in those 7, it equals 9. So that's how we get this expression. 2 plus 7. 2 plus the rest here equals your whole. Okay? I will finish this here so that you can check your answers. Make sure you have the right stuff here. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video. Make sure you have all 4 of those equations for each one of the number bonds. All right, when you're done, turn to page 12. We're doing the exit ticket. Okay, and this is really to check your understanding. So I'll do the first one, but then you need to do the rest on your own, okay? So always start here with the whole. You have 10. Make sure your name is at the top. Don't forget that part. 10. And 8 is one part, so 10 minus 8 leaves you with 2. We just did that one, so that should be pretty straightforward. Okay, and this one is 9 and 7, so 9 minus 7 also equals 2. Okay, then the next one is an addition expression. So if you did 10 plus 8, that would be 18. There's no way that 8 and 18 equals 10. So you're not adding these two numbers. What you're trying to do is find the difference. So this is 10. You don't want any more than 10. You have, let's say you have 10 triangles. 8 of those triangles are blue. How many are not blue? Okay, that would be 2. And the same thing is true over here. Okay, 9 is the whole. So you have 9 teddy bears. 7 of them belong to you. The rest of them belong to your brother or your sister or whoever. So take 7 away from 9, and that leaves you with 2. Okay, that also means if you have 7 teddy bears, you add your brother's teddy bears, that should give you 9, right? If you have 8 blue triangles, you should be able to add the 2 other triangles and equal 10. So that's the expression you're writing here. You can also flip this around, and you can say 10 minus 2 will leave you with 8. And 9 minus 2 will leave you with 7. So that's going to be this expression here. And then the last one is flipping the numbers around, so you have your second addition problem. I will let you solve that on your own. Take a picture, send it to me, and that is the end of your math packet for Thursday.